This is a 6-year review on the Silicon Carbide tutorial that I put out 6 years ago. It's insane that it's still held up. I'm upgrading to a 6090 grit Silicon Carbide. The original application that I did put on was 120 grit. So I'm just gonna, no JV weld this time. We're just gonna use a polymer mix. Epoxy, 5-minute set time, and then recoat it with a 6090 more aggressive bit. So I will give you an update on how this turns out before and after, but same before, just tape off everything. I didn't even remove my mag release or anything like that. I just taped everything off. Used the razor blade to cut off the square edges. But yeah, I mean, minimal wear on the application 6 years ago. I mean, holster, I've used this a lot of times. Finally putting some money onto this Glock, so I'll give you an update after I apply this 6090 carbide. All right, so this is the finished product. Fixed my little corner there. I don't know, it just annoys me a little bit. But I really like the 6090 grit compared to the 120. Just feels great overall in the hand. There you guys go.